Not all freight is created equal. If you are new to freight brokering, trying to make money but struggling to stand out, you need to pick the right niche. Some niches pay way more than others, and today I'm breaking down to the best niches that will make you the most money as a freight broker or freight broker agent. By the end of the video, you will know exactly which type of freight fits your skills and experience and which ones have the highest demand and best profit margins. So let's jump in. Hey, my name is Lida. I have been in logistics for over 8 years. I started as a truck driver, then became a dispatcher, fleet manager, and now a freight broker. I have worked with BMW, US Army, and multi-million-dollar manufacturing companies. So trust me when I say picking up the right niche will make or break your success in this industry. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. It is free and it will help me. Let's break down the top freight niches that pay well, move consistently, and have big demand. So first one, my favorite one is flatbed, the backbone of heavy industry. Why it is a great niche? Because it is in high demand in construction, steel, machinery, and large equipment. Higher rates than drive-in due to load securement, tarping, and specialized handling, and less competition compared to drive-in. And who should specialize in flatbed, right? Former truckers or dispatchers with flatbed experience, or someone who is good at geography, and the brokers comfortable working with heavy equipment and industrial materials. Pro tip: flatbed rates increase in spring and summer because that's of course when is the busiest time. That is because the construction is booming during the summer and spring. Second one is hotshot freight, small loads, big money. Why it is a great niche? Fast moving freight for urgent deliveries. Uses pickup trucks with gooseneck trailers, making it great for local and regional loads. High paying for time sensitive and lightweight shipments. Who should specialize in hotshot? Of course, again, freight brokers who like fast turnover and quick deals. If you have connections in construction, oil and gas, or auto transport, this is a great niche for you. And pro tip, many truckers start with hotshot before moving to larger equipment. If you can connect with these owner-operators, you will always have trucks available, because some of the loads that are not heavy, you can even start without having a CDL. So next niche is reefer. Why it is a great niche? Because it is a temperature controlled freight and it is always in demand, right? So reefer freight, food and beverage, meat, eggs, milk, cheese. Why it is a great niche? Because it is a temperature controlled and always in high demand, because people always eat. Some of them are seasonal, some of them are not, but they are all around. Pays more than drive-in, of course, due to extra handling and monitoring, also the equipment requirements. Who should specialize in reefer? Of course, brokers who understand food safety, maybe regulations, cold chains, logistics. Former reefer truckers like me, dispatchers, or those with experience in grocery or pharmaceuticals. Pro tip: grocery store suppliers need brokers who understand reefer logistics, build those relationships, and you will never run out of freight. You can even find shippers in grocery stores when you check the label. Next one is hazmat freight, high risk, high reward. Why it is a great niche? Because fewer brokers specialize in hazmat, meaning less competition. High paying due to strict regulations and safety requirements, and there are not many drivers who has a hazmat certification. Industries like oil and gas, chemical, and medical waste need reliable hazmat brokers. Who should specialize in hazmat? Brokers willing to learn hazmat regulation and safety protocols. And if you have connections in chemical, fuel, or hazardous material industries. Pro tip: always verify carrier hazmat endorsement and insurance before booking a hazmat load. Liability is high in this niche, so be cautious and be very alert. Next niche is heavy haul, one of my favorites. Big loads, big profits. Why it is a great niche? Because hauls oversized, overweight freight like cranes, wind turbines, and industrial equipment. Requires permits, escorts, and specialized trailers, crane, meaning higher rates. And of course, maybe higher headache, but huge profits margins, because shippers need experienced brokers. Who should specialize in heavy haul? Of course, brokers with experience in permits and routing for oversized lots. Someone who did like hard shot, flatbed, it is already great experience. If you have connections in construction, military, large scale manufacturing, it is also a great niche for you. Pro tip, if you can secure just 1 or 2 solid heavy haul customers, you can make a fortune brokering just a few lots a month because the profits are high. So final thoughts, which niche should you pick? Choose the right one. It is all about matching your experience, industry connections, and market demand. If you are a former trucker, dispatcher, or have an industry experience, use that knowledge to your advantage. For example, flatbed, best for construction, steel and heavy equipment. Hatchet, great for urgent loads and regional hauls. Reefer, always in demand for food, right, and beverage and medical transport. Hazmat, high paying, but requires extra safety and knowledge. And of course, heavy haul, fewer brokers, massive profits, but complex logistics. Now I want to hear from you. Which niche are you considering and why? Drop a comment below. I would love to help you figure it out. And of course, like and subscribe for freight brokering tips. Every week I am posting 2-3 times a week. And if you need help getting started, check out my Freight Freedom Club, where I mentor new brokers on how to build a profitable business. Once you have picked your needs, the next step is avoiding common mistakes that can cost you thousands. So you can watch out this video to make sure you start your brokerage the right way. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.